Welcome to this thought-provoking video brought to you by Exodus Capital, the Netflix of financial education. With a vast library of content covering real estate, investing, Turo car rental investing, e-commerce business, and much more, we're here to help you gain the knowledge you need to secure your financial future. Stay tuned till the end for an exclusive call to action that can help you multiply your income ASAP.
Financial situations can be difficult for anyone at any time, until or unless you have the right platform to get guidance from. We are going to reveal 5 pillars to achieving financial success in life. Live within your means. If you don't already have a budget, now is the perfect time to start. Pay yourself first. Is to make sure that you are setting aside some money for savings each month. Learn about investments. Part of becoming a financially successful person is making sure that you are diversifying your portfolio. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Stay ahead of the curve. A large part of financial success is making sure that you stay ahead of your time. Educated yourself about taxes. Make sure that you are keeping an eye on your taxes as you make financial decisions. Do you want to live a life of financial freedom but aren't sure how to get there? You can do it. Exodus Capital is the ultimate platform to solve all of your financial problems.